Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's really beautiful here in Pennsylvania right now. The spring weather is just wonderful. And I was just out shopping and went to a barbecue fest, I think. So it's time to open up this box that just arrived. It's going to be a quick unboxing because I feel like every time I'm filming, the landscaper nearby always doing work. So must be the spring weather is here and everyone try to get their yard back in shape. I didn't expect to buy so many Dooney's bags lately, but they were having a good sale, so I thought I would give it a go and try out some new style that I'm not familiar with. This came with the box. Let's open up the first one. So this is the first one. It's called Dooney Small Satchel. It's in the suede leather. Beautiful. I think it's honey color, I believe. If you have been watching my video, you knew that recently I just got an olive suede leather bag from them. And I was really impressed, so I decided to give this style a try. And now looking at it, I have to say I'm really amazed by the suede leather quality, the beautiful color. There's the sun coming in from the window. The side of it has a D-ring for a crossbody strap. At the back you have this nice smooth zip pocket. At the bottom has metal fit, which is great because this is a suede leather bag, so it could be tricky. At the front, let's tear this open. Looks like it has two tiny slip pockets. I'm not sure what you can put inside. Maybe a pack of gum if you are into that. But I do like the design though. I do like the design of this pocket. And then let's open up the bag. A lot of stuffing. So it does come with this key fob. Also different colored hardware. I don't know why they always do that. I guess that's their standard. And then come with a dust bag. I like the quality of Dooney's dust bag. Inside of the bag, look like it's kind of Dooney standard. One side you have a zip pocket and a slip pocket, and then on the other side has two tiny slip pockets. This is pretty straightforward, this style of bag. It's kind of small, it's called small satchel. I do like the style and the design of it, but I do wish that I could get a bigger one, but I couldn't find a bigger one during the sales or on their website. So I guess I will have to keep an eye on it. I would love to get a bigger one. This one is not bad though, just a little bit small. Let's get into the other one. So here is the other one. Can you tell what it is? This one is Dooney's barrel bag. I think they are taupe color. The side has this D-ring for crossbody strap. The back has this zipper pocket. I have to say their zipper quality is really great. Just amazingly just smooth, very smooth. And top handle. This is from their Western collection. That's why you see these two horseshoe shaped. I know previously I was joking about the shape. I'm not going to talk about it today, but let's remove this. It's a little bit hard to remove, but let's just show you. Let's see. The handle has this beautiful whip stitch detailing. Really nice. And then the zipper pull is this tassel. I think I have sunlight coming in from the window. Hopefully not messing up with the lighting too much. Beautiful. Let's take a look inside. Dust bag. A lot of stuffing to keep the shape. Oh my god, there's a tons of stuff inside. The crossbody strap in leather. Let's see. And with their Western collection, it's very interesting because the lining is in this paisley color. Hopefully the light shine inside, you can see. And other than that, it has one side it has zipper pocket, and then the other side it has a slip pocket. So it's pretty standard for Dooney's bag. I wasn't sure that, I know Coach Ruby has been a very popular bag lately, but I wasn't sure that I like a barrel bag. So I thought, I saw this on sale and the price is really great. I thought I would give it a try. And I love this color combination. This top color is really beautiful, and the leather seems to be really high quality as well. I have always impressed with products from Dooney Bourke. I feel like maybe they are not the most talked about on social media, but their quality is great, and if you're able to find a style you like, I highly recommend you look up Dooney's and Bourke's bag. I love their quality for sure. So today's unboxing probably a little short because I want to avoid the noise outside. And if you want me to do more details first impression review, let me know. Which bag do you like better from today's unboxing? Do you like the Suede one better or the barrel bag? Which one do you like better? Thanks again for joining me for today's unboxing. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.